What's up guys, I'm back with a new video and today I'm going to be installing these little hood vents on my Jeep. So the hood vents go right here. Let me just show you how they look out the box. It's from Daystar. I've been looking at these hood vents for a while, mostly because I like how they look. And I think they'll give my Jeep a more aggressive look than it already has. Yeah, here's this piece. It'll probably go right here. Bam, and same as the other side. But let's just get started to the install. So I had to go out and buy a 1 inch and a quarter drill bit because I just don't have one. And to install this, it requires that you have one. So I'm just going to be drilling the holes here. It comes with a template for you to just drill over. Let me just take everything off the box. Put the box out here. Alright, so it comes with instructions, like the other hood vent, a decal, and finally the template. So let's open up this template. Here's how it looks. So for this side, it'll probably be like this. You obviously have to cut this up first and probably put some masking tape on it so it'll stay. So I'm just gonna get started with that. Cool, so this is how the template looks. As you can see, you would have to drill a hole here, a hole here, a hole here, and a hole here. And it says it has to be 3/16, and this has to be 1 inch and a quarter, which is right here. And I'm just going to get started and start drilling. Before you guys even think about drilling some holes, you need to make taps on the holes itself, so it'll be easier for the drill to just go through. So I just made all of the holes with the 3/16, and I also did the 3/16 just for this too, to make it easier. So now I'm going to be using this drill bit to drill out this. So I just finished drilling the big holes. They're a little hot still. What you want to do is you're going to want to get some touch-up paint and touch up the bare metal from your hood. It looks really weird. It's a really weird design. I'm not sure why they did that. Like, yeah. But yeah, that's how it looks, and let me just start installing it. So here's the bag of all the little accessories that it comes with for installing. It has 3 little rubber grommets that you're supposed to put in this hole, and I'm just going to start doing that now. Here's how that looks. It looks pretty nice. I don't know, little holes. But it was actually really easy to put in. I thought it was going to be hard. But it's a snug fit. And it looks good so far. So it comes with 2 of these little things. It's supposed to go under the hood, and you're supposed to put this in this, and it'll just come out sticking right here. As for the other 2 bolts, there are shorter ones, and they go right here and right here. But now I'm supposed to open up the hood and just install it that way. Here's the underside of my hood. You've guys seen my lights before. Bam. But enough of that. Let's just start installing it. So these long screws go right here and right here. But first you're going to want to put this right up here. So that's how it looks. I'm not going to lie. It was a bitch installing, mostly because these holes had to be drilled out a little bigger than 3/16 because the alignment was weird. So that was the only problem with that, but I somehow made it work, and it does work. There's how it looks. It looks really nice, but now it's time to do the other side. So I'm almost finished, guys, and surprisingly enough, the driver's side, it's way easier. than that side for some reason. I think it's because I made the holes bigger on this side. Yeah, I think it's because I made the holes bigger on this side, so everything's just aligning up really easily. And thank God the screws and the drill bits did not go through my lights, because that would have sucked. But yeah, I'm about done, and I just need to finish tightening everything up, and I'll show you guys the final result. Here is the final product. As you can see, there's the screws and grommet for the hood vents. Here's that for this side, and let me just close my hood. So here's how it looks. Right there. I almost tripped. And right here. I think I did a better job on this side. Mostly because I had practice on that side, so yeah. And this is how it looks, guys. So if you want to know if these are all vented, no, only I think this side is. Not this side, which makes no sense. There's no vents here, no vents here, no vents here. It's only small vents right in here. And like a huge opening right here, obviously. But I think the reason why there's no vents here is so water doesn't just drop down and go into the hood. So I think this is a good design so water does not go into the hood. But yeah, I think it looks really cool. I got my Poison Spider hood vents right here and my Daystar hood vents. It just adds a more aggressive touch to my Jeep than it already is. But yeah guys, if you have any questions on this install, hit me up in the comment section, and thanks for watching. So one last thing, it came with a little sticker like I said before. I didn't want to put the sticker anywhere, didn't want to put it under the hood, didn't want to put it on the side of the Jeep. So I'm just going to put it here where no one can see it. Let me just press it down, make sure everything's good. Alright, I think here's the moment of truth. Here it goes. So that's how it looks. And here's the off-road gear. Poison Spider, always had that there. But yeah, this is pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. Just this part. The Daystar, it will be, I keep saying this, but it's eventually going to be covered by a winch, hopefully. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully.